Hi everyone, welcome to Helpful Solutions. In today's video, we'll talk about Xbox not turning on but makes sound. Get it working in no time. Number 1. Power cycle the console. Unplug the power cable from the back of the Xbox. Wait 10 to 15 seconds, then plug it back in and try turning it on again. Number 2. Check the power supply. Ensure the power supply is properly connected and that the LED light on the power brick is lit. If it's orange or unlit, you might need a replacement. Number 3. Inspect for overheating. Make sure the console is in a well ventilated space. Overheating may cause it to shut down temporarily. Number 4. Reset the console. If the above steps don't work, perform a hard reset by holding the power button for 10 seconds until the console shuts off. Wait a few seconds before turning it on again. Thanks for watching.